Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. This is going to be another skin care video for all my skincare lovers out there. This is from a company that I've worked with in the past that I really do enjoy working with. It is a brand new launch from City Beauty. What it is a MicroBiome overnight mask. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do a demo of the mask on my skin. I'll tell you kind of how I feel about it after using it, but let me pull my computer over. I'm just going to read you quickly some of the stats and claims on this mask. I'll let you know kind of what it's for, what it's supposed to treat. That way you can decide whether or not it's a mask you might be interested in. So as I said before, it is a night mask and it's supposed to help treat uneven skin tone, dull complexion, dehydrated dry skin, redness, also fine lines and wrinkles, and it is for any type of skin type, whether you're normal, oily, dry, or sensitive. Some of the key benefits or some of the key claims they say that this overnight mask will achieve is to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, restore visible radiance so your skin looks younger and more vibrant, balance your complexion, tone, and texture, also help to support a healthy skin barrier for deep hydration of the skin, and also encourage natural skin cell renewal. Those are some of the key benefits. Those are what kind of the MicroBiome night mask is supposed to be treating. I'm going to show you what the night mask looks like. I'm going to apply it to my skin. I'll also give you a list of the key ingredients in the mask. Now, a lot of these ingredients are ingredients I'm not familiar with. They're scientific terms, so I will write them down and then I'll tell you what each ingredient is supposed to contribute to this mask's ability to do what it says it's supposed to do. I really love City Beauty products. City Beauty makes my #1 mask of 2019. I love their hydrogel biocellulose masks. I just ordered another pack of those. I believe this is supposed to be launching, I think sometime around December 23rd, sometime around there. I'll put the actual launch date if I have it right down here, but it is being launched in December of 2019. And then the only thing I'm going to tell you in the beginning of this video are the ingredients that are not included in this skincare mask, because a lot of times people are very interested, or sometimes even more interested, in what's not included in the mask as to what is included in the mask. So this is GMO free, formaldehyde free, paraben, phthalate, sulfate free, gluten free, soy free, and dairy free. And I believe the pH range on this MicroBiome mask is right around 5.75 to about 6.25. So let me take you to the demo of the mask. I'm a big fan of City Beauty, love their lip products, and I'm really interested in testing this mask out for them. Let's get started. So this is the MicroBiome night mask from City Beauty. It's supposed to be a complexion stabilizing night mask that contains probiotics that are supposed to help restore a more radiant, youthful glow to your skin. Here you can see a list of the benefits of this mask. It's going to help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, restore more radiance to your skin, help to balance and tone your complexion, and also improve texture. It is also supposed to help support a healthy skin barrier, which is supposed to help hydration and encourage natural cell renewal. It should be a solution for uneven skin tone, a dull complexion, dry, dehydrated skin, redness you have on your skin, and fine lines and wrinkles. Now I'm applying the MicroBiome night mask. It's supposed to target what's called skin dysbiosis. What that is an imbalance in the skin's microbiome. And what that can lead to is dryness of the skin, more fine lines and wrinkles, and also signs of premature aging. The probiotic and prebiotic ingredients in the mask are supposed to help naturally restore a healthy balance to the skin. It also contains nutrient-dense plant extracts that support healthy skin renewal. So the end result should be a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They should be less noticeable. Your skin tone should be brighter clear, should be more even, the texture of your skin should be improved, and you should have a more radiant, youthful appearance. You put this on your face at night. There should be no other products on your skin when you put this on. This should be the only product you put on your skin at night, and then the next day, just rinse your face as normal and apply your normal morning skincare. The product has a very lightweight gel consistency. I didn't notice or detect any type of scent to the product. Some of the main ingredients in the mask. The first ingredient, algative bioskin. It's supposed to help defend the skin against blemish-causing bacteria by supporting the good bacteria that live on your skin. It delivers superfood nutrients to the skin and prebiotics, so your skin should look clearer and more even. The second ingredient, biolin, that helps to maintain a healthy skin barrier. It helps to boost the skin's natural resistance to undesirable bacteria. EcoSkin creates brighter, more youthful looking skin. What it does is inhibit harmful bacteria from growing. It also nourishes the skin's surface to create a long-lasting smoothing effect. Revivulin promotes better hydration for the skin by increasing skin exfoliation and renewal. And finally, kombucha, that helps to smooth and plump the skin and also help with uneven skin tone. So that's all the information that I have to give you on this new mask from City Beauty that's launching in December. The name of the mask is the MicroBiome Night Mask. I will leave a link to City Beauty down in my description box so you can check this out. New mask with new skin technology. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.